Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your product schema markup templates step by step clearly. To backup your product schema markup templates, start by opening your website's content management system. Navigate to the section where your schema markup templates are stored. This is typically found under the theme or plugin settings for schema markup. Once located, access the template files for your product schema. Select each template you want to backup. Copy the entire schema code from each template. Open a text editor on your computer. Paste the copied schema code into the text editor. Save each file with a clear and descriptive name. Make sure to use the .json or .jsonld extension if your schema format requires it. Once you have saved all the templates, create a dedicated folder on your computer. Label this folder clearly, such as Schema Markup Backups. Move all the saved template files into this folder. Consider creating a compressed version of the folder for easier storage. If you're using a cloud storage service, upload the folder there for extra security. Verify that all files have been uploaded completely. For extra protection, consider backing up the folder on an external hard drive. After ensuring all templates are safely backed up, you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.